Monster K9 is live from the St. Augustine Christmas Parade via Starlink. It's sponsored by X. So come on out and join us. We're waiting in line, hanging out, and it's already hotter than heck in St. Augustine, Florida on a Saturday morning in December. So go have a good day and watch the parade. We're going to be live streaming it on X in just a little bit. Bye.